Hey guys, welcome to JBS Garage, and today we've got a bucket. Why have we got a bucket? Well, we're about to find out. So, the adrenaline of dreams here, been getting a bit cleaned up. Now, we're cleaning up the fuel tank. So, what I've already done is I've tested it, and I've used electrolysis to remove rust, and you can see there's a line from how deep the tank was in the water of rust just gone to pure metal. So, we've got to do the whole tank now. It's in water, got to add some salt wherever it is. I've got it somewhere. Got a big old bag of it. Got that, I'm going to pour some in a minute. Got to make sure the water can get to everywhere, so I'm going to have to try and keep the bag away from the edge of the tank and stuff. But yeah, and I'm going to flip it over at some point as well. Lovely. So, I haven't got a fuse for the battery charger. Lol, need one ASAP, but you know, JBS Garage has zero money all the time. So fucking got this set up, got the sacrificial one there on the positive, the actual part that's rusty on the negative. It's starting to bubble on the sides. Eventually the power might get a little bit too high and I might have to unplug this, change the water and do it again because it starts conducting more and more electricity, and don't want to blow the fuse, which isn't a fuse because that would equal fire instead. So yeah, might add a little bit more salt. If you look there, actually, wait, that's perfect. Can you see it down there? The bubbles coming up. Yep, that is rust removal. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Getting the whole tank. I have to flip it halfway. So it's very important that these two do not touch because they'll create a short circuit, and with that fuse especially it'll blow up. So I've got it now, I've removed it straight to the middle so it's a bit more even power distribution. Because it is literally electricity and it will flow the closest way to ground. So this side was getting a bit more bubbly than that side. So I've moved that. The back half is probably going to be a bit shit. So I might try and add an electrode back there somehow. So, second electrode's now connected in typical Brad style. Now you can see this side here is starting to bubble. Now that side here bubbling away lovely. Starting to change colour of the water around there already, so it's doing its job. So you're trying it on that side now. Lovely. Charger's still going. Just got 3 on. Boom. There's number 3. There's a wire up. Should start going lovely in a second. As long as it's got a good connection. Lovely bubbling up there as well now. Bubbling up in each direction. Lovely. Beautiful. Mwah. So, starting to get pretty dark. I've had to change that wire like 5 times because it's melted. Oh, you can see it's doing some shit. I've just swapped it to this side because it was using way too much power, so I had to put one side at a time. It's been on that side basically the whole time. Now it's on this side, just bubbling quite a bit. But yeah, getting rid of that rust. Can't wait to do it upside down. It's also sprung a leak. Very good, isn't it? So it's near on like midnight now. I left it on this side for ages, went upstairs, had a bath and that. And the water level was down like there. So we're at the top of my heart, it's been dripping out into there and dripping all over the floor. But yeah, just up to top it back up, you can see there's a rough line where the rust was and that. For fuck's sake. Yeah, nice. Now I've got to let it take all that surface shit back off again. Now I can disconnect it, drain it out maybe. You know. So it's now morning again. You can see there's like a line of rusty shit on it because I've sprung a leak and it's leaked half the shit out. So that's like the surface shit floating on it. So you need to scrub it quickly and then we'll be able to see the results after scrubbing. So I cleaned it right up, but you guys don't really get to see that because I didn't show you. And now I put it back in again upside down. Put all 3 sides on for the minute. It's just not hot or anything yet. As soon as it starts getting hot, I'll only be able to do one side at a time, but that's fine. I've just got to try and manage the leak. That's the most important thing, because the leak is a bitch. And the electrodes, these 2 side ones, have to be in a certain place to fucking actually work like a certain water level. That one there don't really matter. Yeah, let's get all this rust off, mate. So here we are again. The inside of the tank's now looking a lot rustier than it used to because there's rust and shit in there now. It's not actually rusting yet, so I need to try and get all that out ASAP. I'm probably just going to use some brake fluid for that, not gonna lie. Put the shit back in the bottom so it can't leak out, shake the fuck out of it. But the next step now is I still need to sand off everything because it's all still rusty. And the only sanding method I have is by hand. So yeah, got this ready to go on as well. Just need to sand it. And now we're finally at the next fucking stage, right? We've got a palm sander, we've got pads, yeah. It's time to start actually sanding it. Come on, let's fucking do it, finally! So it's 8:30, the palm sander's bare loud, which is starting to get a bit sweaty. And yeah, he's trying to wire brush it off now with a bit of elbow grease. Sponsors.
My mum always
joking.
If
you want.
When I was younger, there was such a thing as this bottle of elbow grease right here, yeah. I've been able to prove my mum wrong so many times. She'd be like, I'm like, what does it need, mum? Give it a bit of elbow grease. But obviously back then it wasn't no such thing. And now I could have actually given some elbow grease.
Elbow grease, sponsor me, please. So Rich and I, we've done it, we've sanded it down quite a lot. And yeah, we're going to start painting her very soon. By very soon I mean like basically now.
Hey guys.
Boy. So here it is, the matte coat. What's it saying, Rich, mate? Show the camera what we've got here.
360. This is, we're going to the light so we can see the difference.
Yep, let's go. Get into the good lighting because you know YouTube skills. Right, have a look at this.
Everyone's just seen it, what, good 10, 15 minutes ago.
Yep.
And now we have a nice new black looking paint.
Time for the glass. Also. So, here she is. The fuel tank's looking 10 times better now. It's nowhere near a professional job at all. Didn't even use primer or anything. Literally, just done jobby. Because it needed doing ASAP. And yeah. Literally. Well, it's been about 2 hours now, but yeah. Starting to get dark.
Re-upholstering the seats soon.
What is next? Well, wheels and forks. But we need to buy them first. Also, look at Mum's new lights, everybody. Wow. Wait, don't join our side. So that's it for this video, guys. Feeling rich. Walking away now. Too many fumes. It's all sprayed. Yeah, you've seen it.
I have mad headaches now.
Yeah, this episode's already pretty long. You've seen the entire process of this fuel tank from start to finish. So.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.